Hello, puppy. Hiya. Oh, got a visitor saying hello. You want to say hello? Good boy. Where's your collar? You've got no collar on. Puppy. I think I've just found a lost dog.
Oh, it's going to be a cold, cold start to the day.
Well, we made it here in one piece. The roads were very icy this morning on the drive, but we made it and I'm still alive. Got about a half an hour walk to the camp. Well, hopefully a half an hour walk. My pack is fairly heavy, so let's try keep it along half an hour, try find a nice spot to get set up, and well, I'll see you when we're there. So we are currently in the forest, making my way about, trying to find that perfect spot. Somewhere flat, somewhere warm, hopefully. So far I'm freezing and my hands are really cold because I'm a turnip and I didn't bring any gloves. So that's my own fault really. The ground when I'm walking on at the minute, it's very mossy. It's almost like I'm walking on a memory foam mattress. Check this out. Tell me that doesn't look comfy. Makes great bedding, this stuff, honestly it does. But I have got good bedding tonight, so I won't be needing any of this. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on what the channel is going to be about and what I aim to get across to you guys. My channel's name is obviously TMC, Tailor Made Camping, and I want to showcase the fact that you can have fun whilst camping, you can be warm, you can be cosy, and you can have fun. Not every survival situation when you're out camping has to be miserable. You can still camp happy, still camp cosy, make good food, and just have a good time. Well, I think I found where I am going to set up camp. Right here in this opening, it is fairly flattish compared to the rest of the ground. It is very spongy where I've been walking, a lot of that moss, as I was saying. This is flat. I should be able to get a good fire going, and I've got plenty of tie points for my tarp. I'm going to keep my shelter simple. Either I'm just going to do like a triangle tarp setting, or I might even do like a diamond fly type thing to try to keep some of the heat in. But one of the other good things about this spot is right next to me, I've got a water source running right through there, so I'm set for water. That was one of my worries. I've never been here before, so I don't know what the water situation was like, and with only having the filter bottle and what I've got on my hip, maybe I wouldn't have been having so many brews, which would have been upsetting because I love a cup of tea in this weather. It's fantastic. So anyway, I'm going to get you set up now so you can see how I get set up and hopefully get a fire going and a cup of tea made. So we've got our ridge line set up, now tarp across it, and I've attached the tarp to the ridge line using prusik knots. I'll give you a close look at those now. I am going to need about 2 of these, so get your cordage, cut it to about this length. Prusik knots are really easy to tie, so don't feel like you're not going to be able to do this, because honestly it is really easy. So all we need is the 2. I'll bring you guys over here and show you how to attach it to your line. So, what you want to do is you want to tie the ends like this. We will be undoing these in a minute, so don't worry about that. It don't need to be perfect. Don't over tighten it. And you want to go onto your line. You want to go through the loop and then through it once more, and then pull your tied end down, and that is a prusik knot. Now the best thing about these knots is they're easy to adjust, like so, but once you tighten it and try to pull, it grips onto the actual rope. This is a bad example of that. This is a very slippy rope. Let me try and get this a bit more tight. There we are, that's the one. See, Now that doesn't want to budge anywhere, but if you just loosen it ever so slightly, it will budge. It's absolutely excellent. So that's my tarp setup for the night. I'm going to get all the bedding in there and show you that, because, well, it's a good sleep system that I've got going at the minute. A few new things that I wanted to try, like my air mattress. I've just got a down sleeping bag, which, well, it's not mine, I borrowed it off my girlfriend's dad, and it's fucking brilliant. He's had that everywhere. He did give me the choice of a synthetic one from the 1980s. Sleeping in something older than me seemed a bit weird, but that one was actually better than the down one, which is amazing. He said he used to take it up when he went ice climbing, slept in snowdrifts, stuff like that. Said he was perfectly warm. Sleeping bag, bivvy bag. He said it was brilliant. So I'm going to get my bedding set up, then we're going to get a fire going. And then we're going to get a cup of tea on, because I'm absolutely gagging for a cup of tea. We are in Yorkshire, and I will not be drinking Yorkshire tea, because PG Tips is better, I'm sorry. I am a Lancashire lad, so boo Yorkshire. Right, let's get my sleeping arrangement set up. We'll start off with a cot I like using. It's a decent little cot, it'll keep me off this ground, which I'm excited for, because even just kneeling on it now I can feel how cold it is. I do not want to be on that ground tonight. So, nice little cot it is. That's sealed up now, that's good to go. That's my bed for the night. Plus sleeping bag. As you can see, it fits me perfectly. Should keep me plenty warm, keep me plenty cosy. That is my sleep system set up. Cot, airbed, down sleeping bag, chair. Thinking I'm going to dig a little hole here, have a very small fire, something I can cook on and just make brews really, because the heat will radiate throughout this tarp with a reflective coating, and that should keep me plenty warm for as long as I need to. I want to use this ground to even out my airbed as well. So anyway, you get so far, everything's sold, so I don't have to worry about any of this one. The lads, I worked out, I like it with me. So I want to start fires in this material, for the summer, you can make out plastic circles. She said when you camping, when you fires and stuff, it's the number one really in a fire like this. But there we are, that should be plenty big enough. Right, let's go and get some firewood for this fire. Finally get a bit of warmth in there. There's plenty of logs around here I can use anyway, so I'm going to go and get all them chopped up. Anyway, let's get to it. This is all nice and dry. There we go. Firewood acquired. There we are, nice base for fire. So I'm going to build upon. This is my fire starting kit. Got fat wood, flint and steel, and some jute twine that I made and soaked inside of candle wax. Candle wax, obviously, and some more jute twine in case I need to make any more. But that should be all I need for today. This fat wood burns really well, really hot. So this will get most things going. This don't need a lot. I can't catch that spark. There we go. So, finally all settled in now. Got a nice fire going. Got my bread rising next to the fire. I was thinking of having steak, some form of steak stew, so I brought all the veggies you'd need for it. Mushrooms, peas, onions, garlic, carrots, and some seasoning. Can't forget the seasoning. The fire's finally going now, and it's going alright for the time being. That was a bit tricky to get going because all the wood is just soaked, absolutely soaked. So yeah, let's get some food on go. Crust on the bottom of that pan now. Oh, that's starting to brown up nicely. Steak's done, that should do. So, food's finally ready. This is what we have got. Got a stack of flatbreads, along with a healthy heap of stew. Haven't tried it yet, so let's give it a taste test. Oh, these are great, by the way. Love these. That's fantastic. Well, it's 9:30. It's currently 1 degree. It's going to drop down to about -10 tonight. I'm just going to let the fire die down, and then I'm going to jump off into bed, see if I can actually get a good night's sleep. I'll show you how I wake up in the morning, see if I actually get any sleep. I think I will. I think I should be fine on top of that cot in the airbed, and that sleeping bag does feel incredibly warm, so I shouldn't have any worries really. But yeah, it's been a good day. The food was excellent, the walk was nice, and I can't wait to wake up in the morning and just see how I feel. So it's currently 3:30 in the morning, and I'm awake. I need the toilet, but that's the sound of snow. So it has snowed quite a bit, and I am a bit chilly. So yeah. It is very cold, and I do not want to be out of that sleeping bag right now. I'll give you guys a view of what it's like. You see, you've had quite a bit of snowfall in and around the top. Oh. So I'm going to get back in bed. I have pulled out my secret weapon, my heated jacket, so it's going to be a cosy sleep. If I can get back to sleep, that is. It snowed pretty bad last night. That's it coming off my top. I am dry though, which is nice. I'm not sweat through, which would have been the worst thing ever. It does actually look really cool outside with all snow around. I didn't think I was going to sleep this late though, so that's nice. Ooh, well, I need a brew. Well, I'm up and I'm on a mooch. I need dry firewood because, well, it's rained every day in the UK so far, and even the dead standing wood that I was collecting yesterday was still damp, and it was really hard to start. It took me a while to get that fire going, and it took a lot of my fire starting kit to get it going as well. So I need to get some good dry wood, and I need to light this fire first dry, otherwise I'm in trouble. That means no breakfast, and it means no brew, which is sacrilege when you're camping. They're the two things you need when you wake up. Well, I've got my brew, and I've got my porridge, so I'm happy now. And then after this, I'm going to pack down. I've actually had a good time. It's been decent, although it did get a bit cold last night, but I did manage. So that was quite good. I've done that, yeah. I recommend this 21, it's great fun. Obviously, it is better when you've got a few of your mates, so there's a few of yous. A bit more, it's not as lonely. That piping hot porridge is fantastic in this. Just letting the fire die down now, because I don't need it anymore. As soon as that's gone, and this is gone, well, I'm packing down, and I'm hitting the road, and I'm going home to shower, because I smell like a campfire. I love it. Weirdly, I do love it. It's weird, isn't it? Put yourself through this for the sake of fun. It's the best type of fun, I think. So, anyway, thanks for watching, if you did. I appreciate that. As always, please give me a like and a subscribe. Hello? Hello, puppy? Hiya? Oh, got a visitor saying hello. You alright? You okay? Oh. It's okay. You want to say hello? Good boy. Hello. Where's your collar? You've got no collar on. Puppy? I think I've just found a lost dog. Well, Poochie's still here, and he's just enjoying my porridge. So, yeah, I hope he's not a lost stray, but he is soaking. He's absolutely piss wet through. And he looks like he's shivering. Fucking hell, I'm shivering, and I'm not even wet. He must be absolutely... It's okay, mate, it's okay. Well, no need to worry. The dog wasn't lost. He was actually out on a walk. He just, obviously, the guy's using the lead to go around his neck when you follow it through itself rather than having a collar. Thank God for that though. Last thing you want is a dog out here. You do get people like that who have dumped dogs. We've seen it before. Dogs just being dumped. I've found dogs plenty of time up near my end. Yeah, turns out you were just interested in my porridge, that's all he really wanted. Now he's just started off back with the owner on his walk. It was a very intelligent dog though. He decided to give me paw, which is cool. He was a very nice boy. But yeah, thank God this video didn't turn into a bloody rescue mission. Well, look who's back. Bodie's back. Come say goodbye to me. I'm nearly finished packing down now anyway, so I don't mind. The owner seems right enough. He probably... Yep, I can hear him now. There he is. He's ran off with my bowl of porridge. So yeah, nearly packed down now anyway. We're going to get out of here. It's cold. It's starting to rain a bit. Right, anyway, see you in the next.